Guys, we're the VH twins, and we actually have some special news we want to share with you guys.
So tomorrow morning we're leaving for Greece. Yes, the island of Kefalonia in Greece. It's one of our family homes. It's amazing place. We love the food. We talk about it like all the time, and we're super duper excited because me and Logan are gonna be spending a couple days there alone, along with Liam. It's gonna be great.
So the recipe we're cooking today is from my grandfather's cousin, and my grandfather is Greek, and they had this joke between them that they would call this like neighbor across the street Kiriogoromuti.
Kiriogoromuti
means in Greek
it means like
Mr.
Assface,
Yeah.
which is really funny.
Yeah.
And my grandpa's like late 70s, and he still thinks that's like the funniest thing ever.
So the smoke
down.
that you're seeing right now is from our grill, and so we're heating up our grill right now to make the recipe our grandfather's cousin gave us, which is salmon, which we already
Shout out Linda Reicher.
Yep,
It's a salmon marinade.
Yeah, it's a salmon marinade.
Which you cover the salmon and let it soak in, and then so we put it on like
It's over there. Yeah.
a great thing. And then we're gonna put that on the barbecue, and then what's gonna do is cook. The marmalade's gonna cook the salmon on both sides. There's honey in it, there's peppers in it.
It'll look great. We've already tried the marinade. It was like this is
delicious.
Sauce.
There's like honey.
Good.
We put a level of pepper in there, olive oil,
All sorts of stuff.
salt,
Yeah.
pepper. It's delicious. Yeah, ginger.
So our next video will be us showing you guys the recipe. Okay, so our salmon's kind of sticking to the pan.
A lot of the fat came from it and just like stuck to the pan. It was like making the
So
fire.
we're gonna cut it in half, and it cuts super easily because it's so like
It's all
tender.
flaky.
It's so
Buttery.
tender. Yeah.
Put butter on this?
No.
Oh, actually,
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like we did.
So I'm gonna put that right there. You can take that piece. You got it?
Got it. So we got it. My hands.
I'm gonna cut this part in half too. I'm gonna take this up right here. That works so much better.
This one. Ow, that's hot.
Whoa.
It's hot. Oh, sorry. Hold on, I got you. It's all good.
It's all good. It's all good. You gotta make it look fancy, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna put this actually right here. I'll put it next to it. This piece right here. So it just shows like the oak part. I'm gonna try this piece, this burnt piece. You wanna try something?
Yeah, sure.
Burnt. It may be burnt.
That was all charcoal.
Really?
No. We're gonna try it later.
I'm gonna finish eating it now.
We have potatoes in the oven, which I'm gonna grab real quick. And they're cooking right here. And I'm gonna put them. Do you mind moving a little bit of asparagus?
Yeah, just plate it. Just put it like all like in a row.
I got you.
Let me got bread up because we're also celebrating Father's Day because my dad's not gonna be with us in Greece. So we're doing celebrating Father's Day today. So we're making a nice salmon dinner with your potatoes, your asparagus,
There we go.
bread,
That was great.
and then your delicious salmon one.
So we're gonna take the bread out later, but that's look at
This is
that.
pretty much it.
That's a meal.
This took like 8 minutes to cook
That's
right here.
8 minutes to cook and 30 minutes to marinate. This took about the same amount of time, and we just cut these potatoes in and threw them in the oven.
Because
So-
we just had them around.
Yeah.
Like potatoes.
So if we can do it, you can too. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for watching VH Twins.
we're gonna be appearing in Greece.
We're gonna be
hopefully.
Yes.
Doing a bunch of lives there.
Yep. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys can check out more of our content. See you then. Bye.